AlexaMaster.
Hello guys, welcome back to AlexaMaster community channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn more points on AlexaMaster. Now we are standing at the dashboard of AlexaMaster. We are gonna explore the Autosub first. Here is some instruction for you, so remember to read it. You just click on the link below here and paste it into a new window. And just let the Autosub run like that. You don't have to do any other step. Just wait and receive the points. If you want to check the condition of your link that was added before, just click on the Autosub list. For who want the Autosub run on your browser without access to the website, you can add plugins to your extensions. Here we offer the link for both Chrome and Firefox browser, so please choose the suitable browser that you are using to download. Next, we will find out more how to earn points with Vote website. Click on the link, the new website will be shown up. You have to check the website within 10 seconds, then choose the suitable condition of the website. Here, this is a good website without any error, so I will choose it is a good website. Click Claim Points. The last mission that you can earn more points from this website is watching videos. Click on the link, then you will be led to the videos. Remember to watch video within 70 seconds. If you want, you can comment and like for the videos. Finally, go back to the AlexaMaster website, then select the suitable play duration of the videos. The previous video was 2 minutes, so I'm gonna choose less than 5 minutes and click Claim Points. We are done. If you have any concern about these missions, please contact our support team.
AlexaMaster.